Welcome to the ultimate guide, Mastering Sun Protection with Anthelios Sunscreen. Sun protection is crucial to keep your skin safe from harmful UV rays. And Anthelios Sunscreen is here to provide the perfect shield. To get started, apply a generous amount of Anthelios sunscreen to your face and body. Make sure to cover all exposed areas. What sets Anthelios apart is its advanced filtering system. It offers broad-spectrum protection against UVA and UVB rays, preventing sunburn and premature aging. Anthelios sunscreen is also formulated with antioxidants, such as vitamin E, to combat free radicals and provide extra protection against sun damage. Remember, reapplication is key. Every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating, make sure to reapply Anthelios sunscreen to maintain its effectiveness. Don't forget to protect your lips. Anthelios offers a range of lip balms with SPF, so your lips stay nourished and safe from the sun. Anthelios sunscreen is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its lightweight texture won't clog pores or leave a greasy residue. So, whether you're going for a hike, lounging at the beach, or simply running errands, Anthelios sunscreen has got you covered. Keep your skin healthy and youthful with Anthelios sunscreen. Say goodbye to sunburns and hello to ultimate sun protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on skincare and sun protection. Stay safe under the sun.